how to cancel a skip the dishes order after it's been accepted. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can cancel a skip the dishes order after it's been accepted. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the skip the dishes app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and open the order details for the active order. Over here, you will notice there is no direct option to cancel the order. After that, tap the question mark icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Then, you will be redirected to the Help Center. From there, scroll down and tap on the Message Center option at the bottom of the screen. Over here, you will see all of your past messages and an option to start a new live support chat at the top. Then, start a live chat with a support representative. After that, describe your issue to the representative and provide any necessary justification for the cancellation. If approved, the order will be cancelled, just as if it were cancelled by the customer. So that's how you can cancel a skip the dishes order after it's been accepted. That's all for this video.